Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. My name is Uğur Serkan from Volkan Yatırım Company. As always, we continue to show you properties for sale in Trabzon city of Turkey. Today we are on another luxury apartment tour. Now we are in Yıldızlı region. Here we are gonna visit 4+1 very luxury apartment with panoramic sea view in this beautiful complex. Before we see the apartment, firstly, let me tell you specs of the project. The name of the project is Sümele Evleri. Actually, this project consists of 3 different stages, Sümele 1, Sümele 2 and Sümele 3. Now we are located in the Sümele 1. As you can see, it looks really amazing. Let's talk about the specs of the project. Our project consists of 5 blocks and was built on 7,000 square meters plus size in the total. As you can see, it has very large area position in the center of the project. Really pretty cool. Here is your parking lot section. You have got indoor garage. On my right hand side you have got fitness and swimming pool. Up section of the displays you have got playground situated front of that building. At the down section you have got another playground and sitting area. From all angles this project is perfect. And now let's go inside. Welcome inside everyone. Now we are in the apartment. It has 225 square meters gross area, 200 square meters interior space, 4 bedrooms, 2 beds, 1 living room and 1 kitchen in the total. At the same time there is a pantry in this place. Firstly, I want to mention planning of the apartment. As you walk into home, this entry is welcoming us. On the left side there is a kitchen. Right across you have got a beautiful living room. We are going to see it later. Right behind me, 4 bedrooms, 2 beds and 1 pantry is available. Okay, continuing our tour. From the entry section, right over here there is an intercom situated on the wall. You have got a steel door. In the Turkey this is classical, everybody uses it. At the same time, right next to this main door, you have got a cloak room like this. And in the cloak room, you have got plenty of storage area. Also, harmonious color is really perfect. The laminate is very quality. Brown color is really nice. Okay, continuing our tour from the entry section over the living room section. This is our living room, around 35 square meters in the total. Firstly, you have got high ceiling, really very nice design, beautiful decoration. On the ceiling you have got spot lighting system. Here you have got TV unit and internet unit situated on the wall. Beautiful anthracite color. Right over here you have got PVC glass details starting from the ground all the way up the ceiling. From here you have got amazing sea view, panoramic sea view and city view, really so nice. Okay, continuing our tour. Right over here you have got a sliding door opening up the balcony section. Here is your balcony section. It's around 20 square meters in the total. Really useful, very large. Look at this beautiful balcony. It has very nice quality ceramic. On the ceiling you have got suspended ceiling and you have got spot lighting system on the ceiling. Okay, continuing tour. From your balcony section you have got amazing panoramic sea view and city view. From the Trabzon side all the way up to mountain of Akçabat, you have got panoramic sea view. Really pretty cool. Okay, continue our tour from the balcony section over the kitchen section of the property. As you can see, it looks really great. Beautiful kitchen cabinet, very quality countertop, nice fountain. I love that this kitchen cabinet which extends all the way up the ceiling. Really pretty cool. Here you have got refrigerator section, dishwasher section, and also you have got cooker section situated in this place. Okay, here you have got a wallpaper situated on the wall. It looks really amazing. Okay, continuing our tour from the kitchen section again over the entrance section. Now we are in the entry again. As you can see, you have got a long corridor further taking you to bedrooms, and also on the ceiling you have got LED lighting system and spot lighting system, which is so nice. Okay, continuing our tour from the first bedroom. Here is your first bedroom. It's around 15 square meters in the total, really very spacious, very nice. This one is second bedroom, same design, and it's 15 square meters in the total. As you can see, anthracite color, really very spacious. This is another bedroom. It's around 15 square meters, same design, same square meters. You have got a nice chandelier. You have got another balcony section, really perfect. Nice glass details. You have got a closet in the balcony, really perfect, which is so nice. Okay, continuing our tour from this section over the master room section. Here is your master room. It's around 25 square meters in the total, and also it has ensuite bathroom in this section. Really nice decoration. Spot lighting system is on the ceiling. Really perfect. Very spacious. The laminate is really very quality, and same you have got the PVC details starting from the ground all the way up the ceiling. At the same time, there is an air condition in the master room. Right over here you have got a nice ensuite bathroom. In the bathroom you have got shower cabin, sink, and WC. Very nice ceramic. Okay, continue our tour from the master room over the pantry section and bathroom. Here is your pantry. It's really important. It's very nice details. Right over here you have got common bathroom. Let's see it. In your bathroom, sink, mirror, very nice shower cabin is available, and also the closet it is really nice. Right next to this bathroom, right over here, you have got a classical WC. Really so nice. This apartment is really very large, very useful, at the same time very quality, and the important thing is regarding this apartment, from the balcony, from the living room, you have got panoramic sea view, Black Sea view. Of course, this project is really elegant. Everything is perfect. As location, it's very close to highway, Medical Park Stadium, and Medical Park Hospital. At the same time, it's located right in the middle of the center of the Akçabat, center of the Trabzon, and also it's so close to Sera Lakes. It's 10 minutes drive away from the airport, from the Trabzon, at the same time from the Akçabat. Today we have visited a beautiful apartment, beautiful project. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another new video. All the best.